Hey, good morning, astronomy students. Today is Wednesday, September 30th. So remember, we got the new weekly schedule here as well. You can see today's date. See your weekly folder for your asynchronous stuff. So I'm going to go down to week 5, and I'm going to come down to day 2. So make sure you take your daily attendance. Oh, look, are you missing any work? Any assignments that you're missing? Check campus. Anything that you're missing. Today would be a great day to work on it. Send me an email with any questions. So in addition to missing work, you got some telescope notes to write down. When I click these, it brings up this PowerPoint slide um, talking about looking into space and telescopes. And so I used this last trimester, so third trimester, when we had zero sort of connection and it was just through email. And so a lot of my students then were kind of struggling to sort of keep up. And if that's what you are doing right now, really focus on these slides. Definitely look at everything, but focus on those slides, which is less than everything. So flip through that, looking at telescopes. Back here, there's a very short exit ticket. I believe it's 3 questions. So you click on the exit ticket and just sort of describe after you've gone through the notes, describe what you've done. So that is it for today. As always, let me know if you have questions.